storm is raging and I can't find my way. Jah is my refuge, He's my rock and stay. Mountains may crumble, waters may roar, but I stand on higher ground. I won't fear no more. Jah is my refuge, my shelter in the storm. In His arms of mercy, I am kept so warm. Jah is my refuge, my strength, my song. In Jah I put my trust. I know I can't go wrong. Babylon may try me, test my every stride, but I and I are walking with the King on my side. Fear no evil, walk through the darkest night. Jah's light before me, He's my guiding light. Jah is my refuge, my shelter in the storm. In His arms of mercy, I am kept so warm. Jah is my refuge, my strength, my song. In Jah I put my trust. I know I can't go wrong. Refuge, refuge, hide me under your wing. Refuge, refuge, it's your praises I sing. Jah is my refuge, Jah is my refuge. Together we rise, together we glow, riding this rhythm wherever we go. No storm can break us, no wall too high. Together we rise, baby, you and I. Oh, oh, we were meant to fly. Oh, love that never dies. Together we rise. Oh, together we rise. Woke up this morning with your love on my mind. Sun coming up like a promise divine. We were born from children of Zion, walking side by side. Through the valley, through the fire, through the rain, your hand in my hand, girl, easing the pain. No mountain too high, no river too wide. We were born for this love, born for this life. So let the drum beat carry us home. Let the bass line hold what words can't hold. We are children of Zion, oh, walking in the light. Your love is my freedom, burning through the night. Hand in hand forever, heart to heart we grow. Children of Zion, never letting go. Hey! Babylon can't touch what we got, no way. Built our love on a rock that won't fade away. Every sunrise finds us stronger than before. Every sunset leaves us wanting more. We are children of Zion, walking in the light. Your love is my freedom, burning through the night. Hand in hand forever, heart to heart we grow. Children of Zion, never letting go. Some say love is fragile, love is fleeting sand, but ours is a river carved by Jah's own hand. Some say the world is heavy, weighing down our wings, but love like this, love like this, love like this, it sings. So let them talk, let them wonder how we glow. It's the love of Zion that the whole world should know. We're planting seeds where the wicked once did roam. Every beat of my heart calls you